y'all, it's Jessica here and I'm back from Disneyland Paris. I recently went for my 23rd birthday and I had 5 of my good friends come up, which was super fun. I'm gonna post a vlog on that soon. I don't know if I'm gonna post it before or after this video, but you guys will see. So I just wanted to do this little haul of everything that I got. I didn't get too much stuff, but I got some little trinkets here and there and I thought it'd be fun to show everyone. Also, hopefully my family is not watching because I do have some presents that I'm sneaking in there for Christmas because that is coming up soon. First, I will talk about this little shirt that I'm wearing. It is from Bershka, which is a shop here in Europe. It's just like a little clothing store. They have it in Paris. I've also seen it in Spain and also Portugal. They have an online store and an Instagram, so go check them out. They have a lot of stuff in for the 90th anniversary. A lot of cute tops, phone cases, I think socks maybe, I don't know. A lot of stores here have stuff for the 90th anniversary, but this is just one that I thought was super cute, so I picked it up. But yeah, so I was in Disneyland Paris for my 23rd, and my 23rd birthday was on the 23rd of September, so I was there for that, and then I was also there on the 22nd, the day before. So I was at Disneyland Paris and also Walt Disney Studios. It was so much fun. It did rain a little bit on my birthday, which was fine. It ended up being a really good day because my birthday was on a Sunday and the wait times were like insanely short. I was like, what is the word? The wait times were insanely short. It was like 5 minutes for Small World. I'm trying to think. It's kind of a little bit of a go. So I don't know, it's 5 minutes for Small World, like 5 minutes for Pirates, maybe like 10 or 15 for Big Thunder. So if you're ever there in September on a Sunday, make sure you go Disneyland Paris because wait times are like nothing compared to back in the States. Alright, let's get started with this haul video. First, I'm going to show you the ears that I got. So I'm pretty sure that they sell these back at Disney World, but what's special about these ones is that it says Disneyland Paris 25, because I was there right before the 25th anniversary. It was on, I think it ended a couple days before we went, which is a sad day, but they still had some of the merch, and I was like, I have to get these ears because they say 25 on them. Another pair of ears I got are for my cousin because he's 7, no, he's not even 7, oh my gosh, he's 9. Crazy, time is flying. He's 9 and he loves Black Panther and Marvel, so I got him these Marvel comic ears. They say Disneyland Paris, and they also have his favorite character, Black Panther. Woo! I know he's gonna love these, so I got these for him for Christmas. Jordan, hopefully you're not watching this video. Something else that I got were t-shirts. So I got my mom and my sister a t-shirt. I got them. So I got my sister this one that says Walt Disney Studios Paris on the front, and then the back says staff. Woot woot. So that was a cute little shirt that I got for my sis. And then I also got this shirt for my mom, and it says, I only hope that we never lose sight of one thing, that it was all started by a mouse, Walt Disney. And so that's what the shirt says, Disneyland Paris at the top, and then it just has Space Mountain, Disneyland Park, it has the Walt Disney Studio Tower, and the Hollywood Tower of Terror. Yes, that's the shirt I got for my mom. Make sure that if you do go to Disneyland Paris, I think we went during off-season, so a lot of the sizes were out. I had to get my mom an extra large in this shirt. One, because that was the only size left, and she's normally like a smaller medium, so we'll have to adjust to see how it is. It might just be a sleeve shirt, but I thought it was super cute and I had to get it. Another thing that I got was this backpack. Yay! Super cute. It has Mickey's face all over it and like happy, sad, mad. I'm winking, so cute. But yeah, so I got this backpack because I needed a bag to carry around while I was there. It's super small and convenient to carry. Also, it has this little pouch right here that it folds into, so when you're not using it, you can just make it a little pouch, and it's easy to just put back in your purse. So I got this little backpack, super helpful to carry around the days that, or I guess the day that I got some stuff, so I was like, I need more space. But yeah, so I got that, and then now more to the little trinkety stuff that I got. I got these pens right here. So these they're Mickey, and they have little Christmas hats on. And then they say Disneyland Paris. I don't know. Focus. Ooh, it focuses. And it gets out. Alright, so that's what the pens say, Disneyland Paris. These ones were the Christmas pens I got. I also got this pencil that is the Eiffel Tower, and then the French flag colors. Also says Disneyland Paris, and I got Mickey's hand because, look, Mickey's hand on my hand. Look, we're holding hands. So cute. I'm cheesy. Alright. So I got these pens. So much fun. I know I'm giving one to my mom. I don't know who I'm giving the rest to, but whoever I do, they're gonna love them. I also got these pens. So these are no, these are not the 20th. These are just Disneyland Paris pens. They're super cute, and I just thought I could give them to friends. They say Disneyland Paris on the back. I don't know if they'll zoom into that. And they just have the little characters, Stitch, Minnie, Mickey, Donald, Goofy twice, because we love us a good goof. Another thing that I picked up were these pins. So I had to get a 2018 Disneyland Paris pin. Every time I go to the parks, a new year, I always get the year that I go, and so I had to get that. I also picked up, I'm such a fraud, I picked up the 25th anniversary pin as well, even though we just missed it, so I think it's okay. I'm such a fraud, guys. I also got the Phantom Manor pin. I didn't even go on the Phantom Manor. It was closed while we were there. It's under refurbishment. Sad day. I'm honestly so sad that it was under refurbishment, but it's okay. I still got the pin. But they don't have the Phantom Manor at the other park, so I was like, I have to get the pin even though I didn't ride. That's still okay, right? We're just gonna say it is. I also got this magnet for my grandma. I always get her magnets, and so this one says Disneyland Paris on it, and it has little characters and a letter. Super cute. Oh, little Remy. Fun story about Remy. Actually, well, I got a little Remy. I don't know if that's a fun story. We rode the ride, and it was so fun. I loved it. It made some of my friends feel sick because it is a 3D ride at Walt Disney Studios, but I thought it was fun. And I love this little Tsum Tsum. It's so cute. And oh, he's also wearing a hat, chef's hat, and it has the Eiffel Tower. Love this little Rems. And then the last, oh no, this isn't the last thing. I also got this keychain. It's super cute. It says Disneyland Paris. This is not for myself. It's for someone else too. I don't know who I'm giving this stuff to yet. I have to figure it out, guys. Now the last thing, here we go. Last but not least, I got the 25th, I got a blanket. It's the 25th anniversary blanket. Like I said, I'm a fraud. It's okay. I needed a blanket, and it was the one thing that I knew I was going to get when I went there. And it is for myself, but it's okay. But that's what the blanket looks like. I can't show you guys the whole thing because it's huge. But it's so cute. It says 25th, what does it say? Oh, 25 years of stars, and then it has the little Disneyland 25 right there for the 25th anniversary. So cute. So that is the end of my Disneyland Paris stuff that I got at the parks haul. But I also picked up some things from Primark. I'm not sure if you've heard of Primark. It is huge though. I went to the Primark in Madrid, and it is, I think it's 5 or 6 stories, and it's crazy. It's madness. They have everything there, but it also can give you a headache and you'll be stuck there for like 6 hours, so it's okay. They had a whole bunch of stuff though for the 90th anniversary, and so I picked up some things because I did get accepted into the, oh my gosh, what is it? The Disney College program. I'm gonna be at Disneyland, or no, I'm gonna be at Disney World from January 14th to May 16th. And so I'm going to be working in merch. I don't know where at yet, but I'm super excited to be doing the DCP this spring. I think it's considered spring. Either spring or winter. But yeah, so that's what I will be doing. So I got these headbands at Primark. I got 6 of them because I have 5 roommates. So I got 1 for myself and then 5 for my other 5 roommates that I will have when I'm at the parks. Super excited, so hopefully they're not watching this either. Wow, maybe I'm gonna have to post this later. I don't know, we'll figure it out. But another thing I got from Primark in Madrid was this little mini makeup bag. It's so cute, and it says I love Madrid. Oh, I love it. I had to get it because it said Madrid on it and it had mini. I was like, oh, killing 2 birds with 1 stone. So I got this one, and I also got this one. I'm definitely not keeping both of these. I think I should keep one, but I don't know. We will see. Anyways, I got this one too, and it's Mickey and Minnie, and it says with love from Madrid. I think I'm gonna keep this one and I'll give this one away, or maybe I'll have to give both away. I don't know, I'll figure it out. But yeah, I had to get these. They were so cute. And I went back too a couple weeks later to Madrid afterwards, after I bought these, and these were all sold out. So I'm super glad that I bought these. But yeah, so I guess this is the actual conclusion to my Disney haul, Disneyland haul slash Primark haul slash a little bit of Bershka too. But yeah, so I guess this is just my Disney haul in general. But yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to see more from me, like, subscribe, hit that over there. Alright, bye guys.